It's your boy. I'm back again with another video. So right here, I'm here to give you a quick update on Celia network. So Celia right now, so the migration is now live. So you can now migrate your token to your wallet. So the migration started today, Tuesday. Before now they give an update as regards to people using Apple stores having some issue with their KYC. So right now, KYC have started today, yesterday, and people have been verified, and also migration has started today, Tuesday. So you can see if you open your app to receive something like this, a notification that Celia migration is live. So the Celia Minute token migration has officially started. You can now claim your token anytime during the month directly from your dashboard. You can view the migration. You can view it if you want to view the migration. So this is it. So this is their post on their Twitter handle. So this is just their post on their Twitter handle. So let's back. So you can see before now I have on my balance. So this is my balance. I have like 5,500 and something on my wallet, on my balance. So before now, there was an announcement that it is 25% of your balance you can withdraw. So the why the others will be withdrawn on vesting, which is maybe every month you will be withdrawing the others within the period of till the token will end, till the mining will end. So but 25% will be given to you. So that was the team announcement. So right now it has been withdrawn. So let me just head back to my wallet. So if you don't know where your wallet is, so this is your wallet. So click right here, you go to the wallet dashboard. So let's go there. So on my wallet right now, so the 25% has been withdrawn, but I'm not seeing it on my token, on my wallet. So these are the experience many people are experiencing right now, so on how to withdraw their balance to their wallet. So this is what they are experiencing right now. So, but if you go to their Twitter page, you see that so many people are lay a lot of complaints. So they will resolve that issue so that people can see it on their balance, and also on how you can withdraw it to your main balance every month. So that's what they are working towards. So right now, if you see it like that, if you not see your balance on your wallet, but it has been deducted from your balance with 25%, so this is how you can withdraw it to your wallet. So it's very simple. You click right here. You can see there's an upgrade. You have to upgrade. You have to update your Celia app. So click right here. You can see it. Just click on it. Then you will see your 25%. You can see the 25% that has been sent right here. So this is 25%. So this is it. So this is your full 25%. So see the status ready to migrate. The task token is a 3%. The gas fee estimated is 0.0001257 BNB. It will be your gas fee for you to withdraw your token. So if I click on migrate now, I have to pay some gas fee for you to withdraw it. So that will be estimated to like, so that is about 0.8 cents. 0.8 cents. So it's not up to $1, but if you have like 0.8 cents in your BNB on your wallet, then definitely you can withdraw it. So if you click on the migration right now, let's click on the migration. So it says insufficient gas fee. So on your wallet you don't have such amount, so you have to deposit like 0.8 cents, or let's say 0.9 cents or $1 BNB to in your Celia wallet, then for you to withdraw it. But before now, Celia has made a withdrawal before, so before going so many things. So if they are withdrawing using gas fee again, it's not that good, because it will look like a scam, because they have already withdrawn before now, before they do some changes, and still yet we are saying the project belong to other persons, people are other company have buy the Celia project, but right now still yet it's still their own. So with the way they are working, still look like form of scam because they have already paid gas fee for people to move their token before now. So like those who have started before have withdrawn their token, have paid some gas fee, unless people who have started again, who started mining before then, will now pay another gas fee. So but for those who have been mining before, we pay 2 times gas fee again, which is not right. So the team should consider that too. But this is just how to withdraw it. So right now I'll try to deposit like 0. Let me say $1 BNB to my wallet, and so I can make a withdrawal. I was unable to claim my token, so Celia suspended the claiming. So all they say was that they have some issue with the gas fee and the gas fee is too high. So but right now the claiming is not live. So all you need to do is just for you to click right here. So that's where you click for you to claim your token to the wallet. So right now, before now, you could see that they have reduced the price of the Celia. So right now, before now, the 1,300 was about $300, but right now they have reduced it to $11. So that's what they reduced it to, and the gas fee they actually reduced it. So they reduced it to about 0.0008. So that's why. So that was the update they did. So one, they did it just to push the price down, then to reduce the gas fee. So but for those who were unable to withdraw for the first time, they they were lucky. So all you need to do is just for you to click on the migrate token, click on it, then you sign in to migrate. So you sign it. So just wait patiently. So it says your transaction has been submitted to the blockchain. So meaning it has been submitted, and the gas fee will be taken from my wallet, because before now I've already deposited to my wallet. So let me open it so you can see it. So this is the amount of BNB I have. So this is the amount of Celia that was deposited to my wallet. So this is it. So you can see the price of Celia. So like one Celia is about 145 naira. So which is very, very small. So it's not something they can use for anything. So this is just how for you to claim your token. So if you like this video, give the video a thumbs up and also share it to your community. So thank you, peace out. So but if you have any issues, you can still leave it on the comment section, so we'll not pass like that. So thank you, peace out.